Hey guys, Josh Salvador here, helping you go further in fashion, and today we'll be comparing two very similar products. Both are very popular with Asian hypebeasts and people that love high-end fashion. These of course are the Off-White lanyard and the Off-White belt, which you've seen a lot on my Instagrams or on the review I did on this channel. Without further ado, let's get on with the video. Now, this is probably the first time you've seen the lanyard on my channel, so let's get into some B-roll. Alright, now that we're back, let's take a closer look at these Off-White products. Alright, now these are pretty similar products. They both utilize the signature Off-White industrial belt strap design. But the belt has some thicker and wider straps, and the lanyard is really tiny compared to the size of the Off-White belt. Now, when it comes to details, I actually do prefer the craftsmanship with the lanyard as compared to the Off-White belt, because look at the materials that you have here. You have premium leather paneling, and on the bottom you have the clasp and the key ring, which looks like they were both coated in liquid metal. Now the way that the strap for the lanyard was put together was so that the Off-White would sort of be flat together and visible, so that and it wouldn't be twisted, so that it'll just lay flat and when you wear it across your neck. The only extra details other than the main Off-White industrial strap itself are the words clasp, referring to the clasp of the lanyard, and the Off-White branding there as well. The belt also has these details with the word belt written on the end of the strap. Now, as for pricing, the belt does come in at $300 and the lanyard comes in slightly cheaper at $270. You guys have probably seen the Off-White belt review already, and if you haven't, click the item card at the top of this screen for more information, or check out the links in the description. But I'll give you a small overview. The Off-White belt measures at approximately 2 meters long. It has been majorly popularized by its strange belt length design and its bright yellow strap material. The Off-White belt comes in many colors and designs, like a tonal black color and different sort of design materials. But to stay true to an original, and probably the most common and popular of them all, I did cop the police caution type yellow. Now, as for which you should buy, I strongly recommend the industrial belt. Not only do you get more value and functionality, but you essentially get a belt and more material as well, and a much more popular design piece for an extra $30. The Off-White lanyard is a hype piece itself, and a lot of Asian hypebeasts do wear it a lot. Right, so for an example, you can obviously wear it across your neck with all of your stuff hanging from here, or a lot of teenagers, they do put it inside their pocket, as you see right here. The Off-White lanyard is a hype piece, but I don't really fancy spending $270 on a strap that I put in my pocket, where it could either fall out or someone could very easily take it from your pocket, and you lose both the lanyard and the keys that you put on top of it. The lanyard should be a piece you should buy if you basically got everything already, or maybe you actually need to carry your keys with you at all times, and you do want to invest in something that's hyped and something that'll last a long time. For example, since I really do love my camera, and I really love filming stuff like vlogging and all that, maybe I'd like to invest in an Off-White camera strap. But yeah guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. I strongly recommend the Off-White belt, as I keep saying, as I feel like you get more use out of it as opposed to a lanyard. But at the end of the day, your choice should be determined by your need of the particular item and your budget. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below which one that you prefer, either the belt or the lanyard. Hit the notification bell to ensure you do not miss another upload. I'm Josh Salvador, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.